I will present about my sustainable engineering construction. Okay, our project title is Sustainable Construction Building in Tun Fatimah Residential College Cafe. Okay, for the introduction, sustainable construction is generally used to describe the application of sustainable development to the construction industry. The industry is defined as all who was in produce, develop, plan, design, build, alter or maintain the built environment. Sustainable construction include techniques that contribute to creating a healthy environment for the future. Okay, next we go to the background study. Okay, in the selection of the site, we are choosing Tun Fatimah Cafe as our site. As we know that Tun Fatimah Cafe is the main area that students usually use to do their assignment, printing, eating and so on. So the comfortable is the main things that must have to the area. To know whether that area comfortable or not, we are doing an interview with several students that usually use Tun Fatimah Cafe.
Cik selalu datang kafe ni?
Boleh lah. Setiap hari juga.
Sepanjang cik datang ke kafe ni kan, apa biasa masalah yang cik hadapi daripada segi sekitaran kat kafe ni?
Biasanya masalahnya satu panas. Sistem udara dia kurang baik lah kat sini. Dan lagi satu bau. Sebab dekat dengan makanan. Kalau encik tu tengok belakang, sistem pengudaran dia tak berapa baik lah.
Okay, apa nama cik?
Nama saya Tan Hui Ning.
Tan Hui, okey. Okey, cik saya nak tanya apa masalah daripada segi persekitaran dekat kafe ni?
Kat kafe kalau masa peak hour dia roughly dia pukul 12 ke lunch hour dia saya rasa panas. Dan dia ada bau lah sebab ventilation dia macam tak berapa bagus.
Bau daripada makanan tu melekat dekat pakaian lah.
Betul.
Pada segi cadangan lah, apa yang boleh diperbarui untuk improve daripada segi ventilation dekat kafe ni?
Saya rasa dia boleh tambah tingkat dan tu pintu saya rasa selalu buka lah.
Terima kasih ya.
Okay, sama-sama.
Raya lah, pengudaraan dia macam kurang sikit lah. Satu, bila peak hour, kita boleh tengok makanan. Bila peak hour, sekarang ni tak peak hour. Kalau bila peak hour, lagi orang berebut ambil makanan. Berebut nak bayar. Macam dia berhimpun semua, yakin bau makanan semua melekat.
Oh, okay.
Farhan Ali, I will talk about the method to improve the sustainability of the building. Our group has chosen the green roof system as a method to sustain of the building, which is green roof system is a roof of building that is partially or completely covered with vegetation and a growing medium planted over a waterproofing membrane. It may also include additional layers such as a root barrier and drainage and irrigation system. There are several purposes of green roof system, which is it can absorbing rainwater, providing insulation, creating a habitat for wildlife, decreasing stress of the people around the roof, and helping to lower urban air temperature.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Izzat bin Adang. For the second method is ventilation system. For your information, ventilation system is the process of changing in any space to provide high indoor air quality. On this case study, we all can see the student report that the main problem is air temperature. Besides that, ventilation also for the exchange of air from the outside and circulation of air within buildings. Moreover, a proportion of air within the enclosed space should be continuously withdrawn and replaced by fresh air.
For the recommendation, how to improve this building, the first one, we should provide a good ventilation. The cafe must capable to provide a good air quality and prevent the moisture and the pollutions. So the second is thermal comfort. For the building, the higher thermal comfort provide the higher happiness to the people. How to improve the thermal comfort? The first one,
at the planning stage, the designer should provide a heat and ventilation criteria. So the last improvement that we should provide at this building is the visual comfort. Glare of light will give occupants visual discomfort and might cause the visual disability. How to prevent this from happen? Building design and choice of the material and equipment obviously play a important role. The solution, we should letting the natural light entering the space by using the transparent glasses roof. So that's all for me.
Okay, in the conclusion, the ideology of sustained development has linked to the green building. So, as engineer and architect, we should design the building to provide a good building to our people. Thank you.